Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically create a reflective text effect on CapCut PC. I'm just going to use this as the background. You don't have to use the same one as I did. I'm also going to add in the text, of course. And then I'm going to type in the word reflect. And I'm also going to change the font as well. Let's see which font I should use. Maybe like this one. Okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe like this one. And then I'm going to copy and paste it. You can also select any color you want as well. I will then right click and then create compound clip. Then I'm just going to press mirror and I'm going to rotate it 2 times to like create this reflection text effect. Then on the reflection, you're just going to adjust the opacity so it's not too harsh. Maybe like that. That's basically it. Super simple. I'm just going to darken the background a little bit so you guys can see. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. We do answer every comment, by the way, but yeah, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. It means a lot to us. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.